What is up, you guys? Today we're going to talk about how to make money on YouTube with no subscribers. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. Alright, so there's this myth on YouTube that you need a lot of subscribers to be able to make money. And that is not true. Though having subscribers is really nice, and by the way, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do that right now. That doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be able to make a lot of money because you have a lot of subscribers. What really makes you the money on YouTube is how many views you can get on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. So what we're going to talk about in this video is how you can generate views that actually make you money without the YouTube Partner Program. Because if you don't have at least 1,000 subscribers, you won't be able to qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. So forget about that. We're going to talk about how you can make money on YouTube with views using affiliate marketing. I'm going to give you two examples that you can use to actually start making money with YouTube videos without having to worry about subscribers. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to do that. So the secret to making money with YouTube with no subscribers is affiliate marketing. And what affiliate marketing is basically is that you're promoting products and services and you make a commission every time you're able to generate a sale for that specific product or service. In this case, some of the big YouTubers make most of their money from the YouTube Partner Program, but small YouTubers like myself who have less than 10,000 subscribers usually don't have the luxury of generating millions of views every single month. So basically, we don't depend on the YouTube Partner Program. Where I actually make most of my money is from affiliate marketing, being able to generate a list, being able to promote products and services. You might look at YouTube right now, you might think that it's really saturated, and that's not the case at all. It doesn't matter how much competition you think there is on YouTube. As long as you can make a good video and you apply some of the techniques that I'm going to talk about in this video, you'll be good to go. You'll be able to make some money with no subscribers, with a really small channel, and basically with 4, 5, 6 videos if you just want to do that. I'm also going to show you an affiliate program for a very popular advertisement that's running on YouTube basically 24/7, and you've probably seen the ad on YouTube. And I'm going to show you how you can take advantage of that and make money with that affiliate program without having to spend any money. So let's jump into my computer. Alright guys, so let's talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money on YouTube, just getting views, no subscribers. And one of the best affiliate programs to do that on YouTube is the Amazon Associate Program. You can sign up for free. You can go on Amazon Associates and you can sign up for a free account. Basically, you can make between 4 to 8% depending on the categories and the products that you're promoting. You can get a link for any product that you want inside of Amazon and you can promote it. And when someone actually buys that product through your link, you'll make a small commission. So if we go back to YouTube and we type something like, let's say gift ideas for Christmas, and we put something like 2019, you see all these videos. One of the first things that you're going to notice is that there's no videos with the 2019 at the end. And that's because we're still a few months away from Christmas 2019. But if you actually get set up, 3 months before that season, you'll be ahead of the pack and you'll be able to rank that video on the first page of YouTube. Even if you don't have any subscribers, you'll be able to do that because there's no competition for that specific term right now. So if we click on the first video, let's do that right now. We're going to click on the description to see what they have. And you can see that they have Amazon affiliate links here for basically all the equipment that they use, but they don't have Amazon affiliate links for the gift ideas that they're actually talking about in the video. So this is a missed opportunity because if you're talking about gift ideas and you can find some of those gift ideas on Amazon, I would actually link to those products inside of Amazon and increase my chances of getting sales with 200,000 views that this video actually got. Now the cool thing is not only can you do this for holidays and things like that, you can do this for example, let's type something like gift ideas for best friend. As you can see, gift ideas for boyfriend, birthday, gift ideas for Valentine's Day. So you can see gift ideas for him. So there's so many opportunities here because you can create videos talking about, the different ideas and different products that you can gift someone, and you can link to those products inside of Amazon and make a commission. As long as that video sits on YouTube and gets views on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, you'll be able to make money with the Amazon Associate Program. So this is one way to make money with no subscribers. You don't need any subscribers to do this. All you need is an Amazon affiliate account. You need to create some videos. You will need to create some videos. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. You can just, talk about the different products and things, or give ideas or show pictures if you want to do that. And then you can try to rank that video on the first page of YouTube. I do have a video that explains the different techniques and tactics that you can use to rank videos on the first page of YouTube. Go ahead and watch that video if you want to know how to do that. Keeping in mind that Amazon doesn't pay a lot of money. It's usually between 4 to 8%. If you want to make $100 per day, the best way to do that is promoting an affiliate program that pays you a higher commission, typically between $50 to $100 per sale. And so I have the perfect example for you. How many of you have seen those Wix ads on every single YouTube video of people actually talking about, how much they love their Wix website and how they can create a website inside of Wix? Wix actually has an affiliate program where they actually pay $100 per sale. So this is amazing. So imagine for a second you creating a YouTube channel dedicated to just Wix tutorials. You actually go on Wix, you learn how to use it, which is pretty simple to do, by the way. You start creating tutorials on, how to add a contact form, how to create an email inside of Wix, how to add a domain name inside of Wix, how to create a website or an online store using the Wix website builder. All those videos that you can create inside of YouTube, and you can rank those videos for those specific terms. So every single time someone searches for things like that, for example, let's type Wix tutorial. Every single time when you link to that affiliate link, you're gonna make a $100 per sale on every single referral that you get. So if you're able, so this person right here that's talking about Wix tutorial for beginners, you can see that they have a bit.ly link. Most likely that's an affiliate link to their Wix affiliate links, meaning that they'll make a commission if someone decides to buy. Think about it, at a $100 per sale, if you're able to get 5, 10 sales, 15 sales a month, that would be an extra $1,500 per month that you're getting just by creating simple videos on YouTube showing how to use the Wix website builder. So you're not worrying about getting subscribers and the YouTube partner program. You're simply putting all your energy on creating videos, tutorial helpful videos to people, showing them how to use a product and then linking to that affiliate program, to that product through your affiliate link. And when they decide to buy, you make a commission. All right, guys, so you see the power of affiliate marketing. Amazon is one way to do that. If you can create videos that people are searching for on YouTube for special occasions like Valentine's Day, Christmas, and any other special occasion or holiday, you can create videos that people might be searching for, gift ideas, product reviews, things like that people might be searching for on YouTube, and you can use the Amazon affiliate program to make money. Now, the cool thing about that is that you don't need subscribers. All you need is to get as many views as you can on those videos. And when people click on the links on those videos, you will get commissions. Now, if you want to get to $100 per day, you got to promote affiliate programs that pay a little bit more, because Amazon typically pays between 4% to 6% commission. So you got to promote other affiliate programs also to be able to make a bigger income. So the Wix affiliate program is a perfect example. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, don't forget to download my free affiliate marketing guide in the description below. It'll show you more about how affiliate marketing works and how you can start making money. Now, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I post videos like this every single week to help you guys make more money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.